Anna? Who is this? Hey, what are you doing? What's going on here?
I need you to do something for me, and I don't have much time.
What are these things?
They're warheads, dear. And I need you to weaponize them for me, or we'll kill everyone in here.
Hey! This is a civilian laboratory! We don't have the correct programming protocols for weaponizing.
The protocols are in the case. I told you, I don't have much time.
Hey, is that double bubble?
But it's my last piece.
Mm-hmm. Come on, give it to me. All right, there you go.
All right, stick to the plan. Scarlet, Snake Eyes take the front. Rip, do take the back. Breaker will be our eyes and ears. I'll give the orders from here. You do what I say, when I say. Got it?
Yes, Daddy.
Initialisation.